Ansible self-paced labs. Yes, these are a lot of self-paced labs that you can use to learn new skill about the Ansible technologies. Specifically, these resources is designed for Ansible automation platform, so more on the enterprise target user. But I'm sure that you are going to find something interesting. So let me share you how to access these resources and an example. See us inside. All these resources are available on the official Ansible website under the section Product Ansible Training. And as you can see, there are more focus on Ansible automation platform, but there are a lot of interesting new resources for also early birds in the Ansible space. So for example, let's say that we would like to start writing your first playbook. So let's start the lab, and in a blink of an eye we are going to start the next section. So we have a list of the key objectives of the lesson, and we can move on. Here, as you can see, we have to verify that we are human. Okay, yes, we are human. Okay, cool. So there are some definition. As you can see, there is a bullet list. So let's move on. The inventory tells what nodes are out there to be used by Ansible, of course. And this is an example of an inventory. As you can see, as we move on in our hands-on lab, we are getting some progress, and there is also a progress bar in the upper corner. So this is a great resource that I just find out, and I think that is worth it to give a try and share with you, my wonderful community. So good job, Ansible. Thank you for this resource. I'm sure that will be useful for somebody of you. And this is also provided directly by Red Hat, the company that developed the Ansible project. So it's quite trustful. So great, thank you. And let's move on. Obviously, this laboratory take a while because need to spin up some resources online to give you like a hands-on experience. Cool. Exactly what we like. After the expected time, we finally got the start button. So we have a brand new hands-on laboratory where you could experiment everything that is going to be taught into this hands-on session. As you can see, there is one online editor that looks great, and yes, it's Visual Studio Code, so it's the official Ansible IDE that help you to get confident with this stuff. The total expected time to complete this lab is 58 minutes, so I give up to you to finish this lesson and complete this hand-on session. Looks great, and I'm sure that you are going to have a lot of fun inside here. So great! As you can see, there is everything is configured, and you are accessing actually a real workstation online. Yes, that's great, and also you are learning new skill about the Ansible terminology. I think this is really an amazing resource, and I can't wait to hear your feedback about this self-paced lab. Great. Cool. Thank you, Ansible, for this wonderful resource. Yay! Now you know more about one Ansible resource, Ansible Self-Paced Labs. Thank you for watching, and I hope that this resource was useful for you, and have a great day. See us on the next adventure of Ansible Pilot. Yay! Ciao!